What's up, gang? I'm headed out to Pine Point, Maine. We're going on a little adventure. Let's do this. Okay, here we are at Pine Point Beach. It's in Scarborough, Maine. This is where I grew up, in this area, and I'm going to show you the old homestead in a bit. But before we do that, we're going to take a look at the beach itself. We're going to take a little walk down there, film some B-roll. Let's do this. Alright guys, this is Jones Creek, and this is basically my backyard, or was my backyard. I don't come here often now these days, but when I do, I enjoy it. Very nice. So we're gonna go check out the pier. It's a favorite playground of mine. So let's go check that out. Alright guys, that was the pier. We're going to do a little bike ride around the avenues, look at some sights and sounds. Let's do this. So we're gonna go check out the Eastern Trail. It's on the Marsh, about a couple miles away. So come and join me as we go check that out. here we are at the Eastern Trail in Scarborough, part of the Scarborough Marsh. So we're going to look at a few landmarks, and then we're going to head back and look at different areas around Pine Point as well. And we'll probably end the video here pretty soon, so let me show you some good stuff, guys. I gotta go find a place to eat. Let's go check out a couple places of note that you should visit if you're coming down this area. Here we go. Alright, here we are at the Cascade Falls Park. It's a very short trail. It spans around the Cascade Falls. It's a waterfall, and we're going to check that out definitely. It's been a while since I've been here. I think I have to go this way. Let's go this way. Alright, do you hear that? That's the sound of the waterfall down below. Almost near the bottom. So I'm going to head back, and we're going to take a little ride to Old Orchard Beach. I don't know if it's closed or not, so we'll find out. But yeah, come by and check out Cascade Falls, guys. Cascade Falls. Alright, so that's all the time that we have for today, folks. So make sure you press like and subscribe. I hope you liked the video and showed you places where I used to hang out all the time. It's where I grew up. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for coming by, and you all have a good day. Peace.